Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so let's see, what day is it today? Today's Friday, but you're watching this on Saturday. Let me show you guys the dried results of this super cute heart. That is my lowly Echo. Where are you going? Don't leave, mommy. He just turned around and looked at me like, huh? I have both dogs down here, and now he's just like, nah, you're being too loud, mommy. I'm leaving. Aw, buddy. Anywho, as I was saying, there is the dried results of the heart from Lowly Veffy. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, there is still kits available. The heart to heart kit. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, check out my last video prior to this one. It is a Lowly Veffy kit that is on sale right now. All the information is in the last video. But yeah, go on the Lowly Veffy website. The kit is on sale for 35% off. Plus you get an extra 10% discount with my code Kanella10. You can buy your Lowly Veffy mats. I have my mats all over my table. But yeah, isn't this heart cute? It still needs a coat of crystal resin, and then it'll be available for purchase for anyone who's interested in a little heart. All right, fast approaching Dallas, Texas. Come and see me in Dallas, Texas for the Fluid Art Experience. I'm going to be there with about 7-8 other artists, YouTube artists, and I'm teaching 3 days worth of classes. I'm going to be teaching the bloom technique. I'm going to be teaching an ocean resin piece using TLP piggies and a metal turtle stencil. I'm going to be teaching top coating, how to top coat your piece, your canvas, your finished product, and you'll get to take home a piece of art from me that I created for you to resin on top of. And then of course, 3 blowout classes I'm going to be teaching as well. If you want information on that event, www.fluidartexperience.com. I will be in Montreal here in Canada on April 12th. If you want information on that, CanellaCiraco@gmail.com. And of course, I'll be in Spokane, Washington, June 6th to 9th. And if you want information on that, excuse me, there is a link in the description below. And FAE, Texas in March is from March 14th to the 16th, okay? All right, let's get started, because I have a busy day and I got so many things to do. 16-inch round canvas. I've got my Lowly Veffy silicone mat and of course the spinner from Erica Hughes. But again, I'm going to be making my own. So I know I keep saying this and I sound like a broken record, but I swear when I have time and it's not -30 outside, I will get my butt into the garage and work the garage workshop and start making some spinners. All right, so I went to Sherwin and got some brand new colors because they are on sale until the 27th, I believe. 30% off these little jugs. So what I have here is called Luxe Blue. Okay, and it's got a blue. So some of you wonder, like, why is it blue? Why is it purple? There's a green label as well. It really just depends on the color you want mixed. So they have to pick the right appropriate bottle. But look how pretty. Luxe Blue. It's almost got like a periwinkle blue tint to it. So that is my base from Sherwin-Williams. Then we've got, this took me forever to come up with a color palette, so I don't know if it's going to be good or not. We'll find out together. We've got Sangria by TLP. Then we have Quiller Violet by TriArt. And then we have, I haven't used this one in a long time. I had to actually mix a new batch. This is Unicorn by TLP. Then we have Greyish Blue by Amsterdam. Then we have Crescendo by TLP. Then we have Greyish Blue again, but with a hint of titanium white mixed in to lighten it up. So that is also by Amsterdam. And then topping it off, we have, what is this? Ooh, Majesty, also another color I just mixed up today. Majesty, it's got a bit of a gold hue to it, which will look perfect with that. And of course, I remembered this time my cell activator, Paynes Gray cell activator with Australian floetrol. I know a lot of you have been saying, oh, try a different color cell activator, and I will, just not today. Just not today. I really love my Paynes Gray cell activator. I will venture out into other cell activator colors. I just really like my Paynes Gray. So, I can get my gloves on. And if you want to know how I mix my cell activator, my piggies, my paints, all of that, you can check out video number 719. I will link it up here at the top. Full video tutorial on how I mix my products and what I need for the perfect bloom technique. All right, I'm going to flood the canvas and I'm going to be right back. All right, the canvas is flooded and oh, I love this color. I wonder what it's gonna look like when it's dry. That's gonna be so interesting to see. All right, so let's start with our Sangria. All right, it is, I can't believe January is almost over. It is insane. Where does the time go? I'm telling you, I'm gonna start to panic in the next couple of weeks, because that means February's around the corner, which means I need to really start prepping and getting myself ready for FAE. Now this is Quiller Violet, and Lisa has always said to be very, very light-handed with the Quiller Violet because it is an opaque and we don't want to overdo it on that. So anywho, back to what I was saying. I've got so much to do still for the Fluid Art experience. I need to do, make spinners for the bloom class that I'm teaching. I need to ship a bunch of stuff over to Texas for materials and stuff that I'm going to be using for the event. And before I know it, I'm going to run out of time. And then I'm like, as usual, like, I mean, this is probably my 4th, 5th FAE experience that, you know, I've done with the Massey boys and everybody else. And you'd think I'd have this, you know, figured out and, you know, schedule my time better, but I always start to panic and, you know, feel the panic set on because I have so much to do. And I don't leave things last minute, but there's just so much to do, you know? So that's coming up fast. So if you are thinking of coming to FAE, I tell you, it's a lot of fun. You get to learn a lot from a lot of different teachers, and there's the gala dinner with the raffle, and there's a meet and greet, all kinds of fun stuff happening. But yeah, I can't wait to go. Okay, so seems like a lot of paint here and colors. And I don't know how it's gonna look and how it's gonna work out. Let's see yeah, we do have a big air bubble right there. So let's pop that, and that looks good. All right, let's get the cell activator and then blow it out. Let's see here. Cell activator. Okay, that is a lot of paint. Let's blow it out. I'm loving the color so far, but we have to spin it. and see what it looks like when we spin it. Now I still have a lot of dark cell activator in the center, so I'm going to just blow it straight down with my straw and let that do its thing. So let's do that first. Okay. Yeah, see the cells, I don't know if you can see that, but the cells are definitely coming out. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, that was a great one. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna let that do its thing. I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be right back. All right. Wow, did it ever do its thing? That is crazy. Okay, should I mess with the edges? I kind of like the way they look actually, so I might just leave them. All right, I'm now going to spin this baby and come back when I think the spinning is done and it looks good. So I'm gonna speed this up and I'll be right back. I'm done and I'm surprised. Like, I mean, I spun this thing so many times and I spun it so hard that it still basically didn't even go over the edge. And I think this is one of my first blooms where none of it, maybe except for like over here by my belly here, this bottom part where it literally is almost over the edge, but not quite. But oh my gosh, wait till you see the shimmery colors in this one. Maybe I should have put more of a base down. See, this is the problem. If you put too much base down, then, you know, when you're tilting it like this, when you're done, the center's still going to be moving a lot, and we don't want that, as per Lisa. But then if you don't put enough, you don't have enough to spin it and it stretch out over the edge. So, you know, sometimes I put too much, sometimes I don't put enough. But I think in this case, I didn't put enough. But I'm also totally not mad at it. Like, I mean, wait till you see the up close colors of this one. This is insane. What is that? It's the unicorn. It's the unicorn by TLP and the purples. I love it. I love it. Okay, I'm going to clean up this mess and I'm going to bring you guys in for a sparkly close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So this is different for me. I've never really done a bloom where it hasn't really gone over the edge, except for like, it's like so close right there and then so close right there. But the rest of it, look at this and look at that center. Oh my gosh, look at that center. Wait till I turn off the lights and put the flash on my camera. This is gonna be insane. I can't wait to see how it dries because it's gonna dry darker and it's gonna be very interesting to see. Now, we'll see how the cells, you know, if they stay put or go wonky in the center, but I'm loving this color. I'm loving the base color. It's such a pretty color. I think I like it like this. It's kind of like wide at the bottom and then it's got the, you know, little spurts. I think I like this composition, just like this. All right, let's turn the lights off and see the shimmer. All right, so I've got the flash on my phone. Yeah, there's, I think this gold is coming from the, can't remember the last color I put on. What was it called? I don't remember. Look at the blue though. Where is that from? Is that, oh, that, you know what that could be? The Quiller Violet. Yep, the Quiller Violet. And the gold, was it Majesty? I can't remember. The last color I put on. Oh, wow. Look at that blue. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I love this color palette. It's so pretty. Look at this. Let's go on this side. What's happening over yonder? Oh, look at that. Gosh, I love this. The TLPs are stunning, but look at that center. We've got blue action, purple action, pink, and gold. That's insane. Oh, it's so pretty. And there you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you think about it in the comments below. Don't forget, check out the description below for all the information on all the events coming up that I will be attending. And this is going to be available for purchase if anyone is interested. You can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.